Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fitrika Putri Pujisetia, student ID number 202501101111. On this occasion, I will present the result of interviews regarding public knowledge of classical music Muslim scholars. The purpose of these interviews was to gauge the extent of the respondents' familiarity with Muslim scholars, identify which figures they recognize, and gather their opinions on my classical Muslim scholars are less well known compared to classical Western figures or scientists. The interviews were conducted with 10 respondents. The first question was, are you familiar with Muslim scholars? The result shows that 8 respondents answered yes, while 2 respondents indicate they were not yet familiar or had limited knowledge. This suggests that the majority of respondents had heard of Muslim scholars, although their levels of understanding varied. The second question was, which Muslim scholars do you know? Based on the respondents' answer, the names most frequently mentioned include Imam Al-Ghazali, Imam Syafi'i, Imam Bukhari, Imam Nawawi, Ibn Sina, Ibn Khaldun, Ibn Rushd, Al-Khwarizmi, and Ibn al-Hayth. However, some respondents were unable to name any scholars as they had never studied them or gained in-depth knowledge about them. Furthermore, regarding the third question, the reasons why classical Muslim scholars are less popular, most respondents offered similar opinions. They felt that the discussion of Muslim scholars in schools remains limited. Additionally, mass media, social media, films, and the internet tend to feature Western figures more prominently. Another factor mentioned was a lack of interest in reading history, resulting in many young people being unaware